Why does the lion hunt in prides? Because he understands the immense power of unity. In your journey, recognize the strength that comes from working together. Surround yourself with a pride that supports and uplifts you. Together, you can achieve far more than you ever could alone. Celebrate each other's successes and be there to support each other through the toughest challenges. Just like the lion's pride, your team is your strength. When you move as a team, hunt as a team, and conquer as a team, the bond you share becomes unbreakable. This bond will carry you through the toughest times. Roar together and let your combined strength become a force to be reckoned with. When united, you are truly unstoppable. Your journey becomes a testament to the power of unity and collaboration. Find your pride, those people who believe in you and your dreams. Stand together with them, and let your collective roar shake the very foundations of your challenges. Remember, in unity there is strength. Embrace it, cherish it, and let it guide you to extraordinary heights. Your combined efforts and mutual support will lead you to achievements greater than you ever imagined. Together you can conquer anything.